How to add an Instagram link to your YouTube video description. So first, in order to be able to do that, you'll need to make sure that your YouTube account or channel is verified. So to do that, you will need to go to your YouTube studio and then click on settings, and then you want to click on channel and go to future eligibility right here, and make sure the intermediate features is enabled and advanced features also is enabled in order to be able to put links in the description. Otherwise, the link will just be a text and it will not be clickable. Now, once you do that, you can simply go to the content right here and change the details of the video. And then you can either put the Instagram link manually here by pasting it. So for example, it would be like this. And then I'm going to put the link and then simply save. It should also tell you that to make external links clickable, you should complete the one-time verification. Now, once you do that, you want to press save. And like that, the link should be on your video. Otherwise, what you can do is go to settings again. So you want to click on settings and then click on upload defaults, and then go to basic info tab, and under description, you want to simply paste your Instagram link or whatever link in here. And you can also have a description under the link or above the link, and then you want to click on save. And now each time you try to upload a video, the link should be automatically filled from the upload defaults in your video description that you're uploading, and you will be able to change it for each video, but it will always include the link. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.